Hey guys, it's Tori from Defective Hat, and today we're going to be doing another episode of Coding Computercraft. I know it's been a long time. I was away for like several weeks at a camp that I went to, and yeah, lots of stuff happened. But I mean, now I'm getting back into it. School just started. Might be a little bit hard to get some videos done. But I'm going to try to make some in advance. Try to keep them coming. I'm glad for those of you who stuck around for this amount of time, and let's see if we can get this series started up again. So in the last tutorial, you should have made a program called Hello. We're going to be adding one more thing to this. It's something called an if statement. If statements are one of the most important things in computer programming, aside from something like I guess variables. But yeah, it's really basic logic, and the way that it works is that, before we get to that, okay? So we want to make it so that if the person has the same name as you, then it will say, "Hi, me," or whatever you want to say. But sort of the idea is that you get two different outputs, okay? So we want to start by typing if, and then we have our variable s name. The way that it works is that you have your if statement, and then the middle is your Boolean operator, or just something. It's either if it is true, then it goes through. If it's false, then it doesn't. True would be like if 1 equals 1. The reason there's two equals is because I'm comparing them. I'm not setting 1 equal to 1. If I just said 1 equals 1, then it would be an error. So you need 1 equals 1. And you can do the same thing. So so 1 equals 1, and then stuff goes in here, and then there's the end of it. So this is the basic format of a if statement. You have your statement, and then your body, which is right here, and then you have the end. And you can even have an else sometimes. I'll get into that a little bit later in the tutorial. So what we want to check is if your name, in case the person who person who ran the program, if their name, so we have that stored in variable s name, equals, in this case it's Toby. So write Toby because that's my name. So now I'm going to write in here print, like we have everywhere else. So print hello Toby, or hello me in the future. So we're going to just close up those parentheses, and now we're going to add an else. This is, if you might have heard someone who does programming talk about an if-else statement. This just means that if the name isn't equal to Toby, then it's gonna do something else. So see, else. So it's gonna do this, and I'm now gonna add a end, because this is the end of the if-else statement. This is all contained inside of itself, and I could do something. I could do, if it was 1 equals 1, they would always say hello me in the future, and yeah, you can set this to whatever you want whatever your name is, and let's run it. Let's just get into the capitalization a little bit. There we go. Okay, so as I tap Control, hit Save, Control again, exit, and now I'm gonna write hello. My name is Toby. Hello, me in the future. Now, what if I said my name was Charlie? Well, Charleaf. It just says hello, Charleaf. So as you can see, that's just sort of, you can already do more stuff with it. Like you can have it as like a password system where it says someone types something in, and you ask them what their password is, and then you read the password, and then it will either give you information or withhold the information. So I'm going to leave you guys to play around with this on your own time. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I'll try to answer them either in a video or just in the comment sections, excuse me. But yeah, until next time, thanks for watching.